Okay, very good afternoon, dear students. Now we are going to discussing about functions. Right on. So first I will discuss one or two questions. After that, we'll discuss some concepts. See. Right on question. If f of x is equal to a into x power 7 plus bx cube plus cx minus 5. Here a, b, c are real constants. And f of minus 7 is equal to 7. Then find the range of f of 7 plus 7 cos x. Good morning. Excellent model this one. Get ready. F of minus 7 is given, then they are asking what is the range of f of 7 plus 17 cos x. How do you proceed, dear students? Get ready. First of all, f of 7 plus f of minus 7, how much anyone? A into x 7 whole power 7. See carefully. B into 7 whole cube. C into 7 minus 5 plus A into minus 7 whole cube minus 7 whole cube minus 5. What are you observing? Anyone? F of minus 7 is how much coming? F of 7 is how much? 7 is given. I mean, f of minus 7 is how much? What is the value of f of minus 7? 7 is given. First add them out. How much coming? Both are cancelled. See carefully. So f of 7 plus f of minus 7 is how much? Minus 10. Therefore, this is 7 is equal to minus 10. Now, f of 7 plus 17 cos x. Yes, students, see. Seventy cos x. Now, f of 7 is minus 17 plus 70 cos x. Now, what is the range of cos x? Anyone? Is what is that? Minus 1 to 1. That means what here? Minus 1 minus 17 less than or equal to 17 cos x less than or equal to 17. Then add minus 17. So therefore, what is the range? Minus 34 comma 0. That is the answer. Once again, f of 7 plus f of minus 7, right? Add them. So each and every term is cancelled except minus 5 constant. Understand? What is the value of f of minus 7? This value is given 7. So we are getting f of 7 is minus 17. Now this is the question. What is the range? So here also range of cos x is minus 1 comma 1. So please write down. Shall I proceed? Fine. Period of 2 power fractional part of x plus sin pi x, 3 power fractional part of x by 2 plus cos 2 pi x. Anyone, what is the answer? These type of models, dear students, here, I think it's very, very easy. How do you proceed? 2 power fractional part of x. Okay, anyhow, here there are 4 functions are there. Simply, period of fraction part of x directly is how much? 1. Okay, 2 power fraction part of x is also 1. Same, nothing is changing. So sin pi x is how much? Anyone? 2 pi by pi. The period of fraction part of x by 2 is how much? 1 by 1 by 2. That means 2. Period of cos 2 pi x is how much? 1. So among these cases, take a LCM directly. What is the LCM? 1, 2, 2. So LCM is coming 2. That is the answer. So period of whole function is 2 only. 3 power, 100 power, anything, it focusing only fraction part of x by 2. Yesterday we discussed the fractional part of kx, period of fractional part of kx is what? 1 by k. Okay. Keep reading, all of you. Number of functions. Dear students, write down. Let f maps here to be a function, and n of a is equal to some m. Dear students, I'm taking and n of b is equal to n. That means domain A contains the set domain A contains m elements. Codomain has, okay. Consider m is less than n. Means what here? Number of elements in A is less than number of elements in. These are the finite sets. Okay, finite elements. So what you are observing? Number of functions. What is the formula? 1. Number of functions from A to B is, what is the formula? N power m. A, B. See, dear students, x1, x2, and so on, xm is there. Here y1, y2, and so on, yn is there. So for x1, how many images are possible? There are n images are possible. Am I correct? For x2, number of functions means what here? For x1 means what here? Y1 possible, y2, y3, and so on to yn. Similarly, what about x2? N images. x3 also how many images? N images, and so on. xm is there. Therefore, total number of functions from A to B is what? N into and so on. N, how many times? M times. So what is the formula? N power m, that is the answer. Clear? Next one, see. Right, adding. Oh, right on. Number of one functions. Directly derivation is time taken directly. Keep hitting, write the formulas, all the formulas better. Number of functions directly. Number of functions. For the case, let f maps A to B be a function. A and B are finite sets. Having M and N elements respectively. Then, so make a table, all of you dear students. 1. Total number of mappings from A to B. What is the answer? See dearly, dear students, N for M. 2. Write down. Total number of 1 functions from A to B. A to B is fixed, dear students. Okay, what the result is coming? See, NPM, where N greater than or equal to M, 0, where N is less than M. So I'm writing NPM, I will write C. 3. Total number of many one functions as usual from A to B. From A to B. What is the formula? See, total number of many one function means what here? Total number of functions minus one function simply. So N for M minus NPM. When it is possible, N greater than or equal to M in this case. So N for M is coming only when it is possible where N less than M. Total number of onto functions A to B. N for M minus NC1 and N minus 1 power M. These proofs are there for this case, proofs are there, but we discuss in next year, second year. You know, permutation combinations, especially we discuss this one. Plus and so on. Dear students, okay, now when it is possible, N less than M conditions apply. N factorial, when it is possible, when N is equal to M. 0, when it is possible, N greater than M. These conditions are very important. It's very important. Total number of bijections. Total number of bijections. Total number of bijections from A to B. What is the formula? N factorial if N is equal to M. So I'm writing, dear students. See cases all of you. So what is the value of NCR? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. NC, sorry, NPR, N factorial by n minus or factorial. These are coming in terminus combinations. So until then, revise the formulas. So please tell me after completing, we'll discuss this one. Right on. Revision is important. Okay, dear students, revise every time. Completed? Oh, good year. NPR, NC formula difference is there. NCR means what? Divided with R factorial, but NPR means divided with R factorial is not there. Clearly, NPR is always greater than NCR. So briefly we discuss in privileged combinations binomial theorem. Don't worry. Now I'm proceeding. Write down next question. Based on these formulas, I'm giving one question. See, get ready. Okay. Just a minute. I'm adding slide. Place is not sufficient. Just a minute. Write down. I'm discussing one example. See carefully. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C, D for F maps A to B, find the total number of 1. Question number 1, functions. Dear students, this is what you have from A to B. Okay, now 1 functions, 2 1 1, 3 many 1. Take the book, rub book. Come on, hurry up. Who will say the answer? On 2 functions. Fifth one, constant functions. That's the meaning. Now discuss solutions. So, dear students, first of all, you should write down what is the n of A? 3. N of B is what? 4. So, n of A means n of A is less than n of B is coming. Okay. So, first of all, question number 1, number of functions. Question number 1, what is the formula? N power m. So, how much coming? 4 cube. That is what? 64 answer. So, please write all of you. Question number 2. So, total number of 1 functions. Any one. What is the formula? NPM. Check it. This is what m. This is n. We're taking. Clearly, n is greater than m. Then only possible. Otherwise, not possible. How much? 4p3. 4p3 means what is the formula? 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. What is the value of 4 factorial? Idea is there. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 24 by 1. So this is. So there are 24 1 functions are possible. All of you revising formulas 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. Last time we discussed these cases every time. 3. Yeah, 3. Many 1. Many 1 means what you are taught. See, total number of many one functions. That is what here? Total number of functions minus total number of one functions. How many are there? 64 minus 24, that is 40. Otherwise, you can apply the formula. What is the formula? N power m minus npm. That's all. Fourth one, get ready. Number of onto functions. So clearly n is greater than m means what here? 0. That means what is the meaning onto? For every element in codomain, there existing at least one preimage. But here, comparing the domain, number of elements are there more in codomain, not possible. Number of onto functions. Fifth one. Fifth one. What the case is coming? Total number of constant functions. Anyone? Dear students, number of constant functions. Only 4. How many elements are there? Codomain 4. So clearly, because since n is equal to 4, that's all. F of x is equal to k. So how many values are there in codomain? 4. That's why number of constant functions are only 4. So I'm proceeding. See. Still anyone writing? This one is very important. Look at conditions. Which one is given? See carefully. Still writing. Proceed. Okay. Dimple saying complete, sir. Complete, sir. Anyone? Still writing? Done. Okay, good. Dear students, I'm proceeding. See now. See, I'm giving some formulas right on. If x and y, I think the color is not visible. I'm changing the color. If x and y are independent variables, then one. See carefully. F of x y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Then which type of function is satisfying some constant to ln x? Or f of x is equal to 0 satisfy this function. 2. F of xy is equal to f of x into f of y. Okay, some important results. F of x is equal to x power n satisfied. See, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of x is equal to a power kx. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y implies where k is a constant. F of x into f of 1 by x implies f of x is equal to plus or minus x power n plus 1. Fifth one is a very important, dear students. Write down these formulas. Now, I'm giving a question example. Dear student, this one it was asking in J mains at one number of times asking bit set or M set anything. Without this model, it's very rare case. Okay, without asking this question. This type models are compulsory. If f of x is a polynomial, coming here, if f of x is a polynomial function, satisfying f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus and f of 4 is equal to 65 and find f of x and f of 3 anything comma or f of 7 or 6 like that you can ask solution. See dear students, yeah, when they're asking these type of models, first of all see, yeah, correct. Sai Sanjan and Kirti respond immediately, good. See dear students, what you're observing, property number 5, see clearly f of x is equal to plus or minus x power n plus 1 is satisfied. So f of 4 is how much? Plus or minus 4 power n plus 1 is equal to 65. So plus or minus 4 power n is equal to 64. 4 power n is what? 64. Right answer positive means minus is not possible. This one I can write n is equal to 3. So therefore f of x, can you guess anyone? X cube plus 1, that is the answer. Now replace x by anything. Yeah. Replace x by any number. 3, 4, 10, anything. What is the answer? 28. F of 6, 2, 1, 6 cube means how much? 2, 1, 6 plus 1, that means 2, 1, 7 like that. Number of times they're asking these questions. Next question. See, sometimes they're giving like this only. Let f be a function. satisfying f of x plus f of x is equal to 4 times f of x, and f of 1 is equal to 4. Then find f of 21. Just a minute, let me see if the question is correct or wrong. Let f of x plus, don't write anything, let me refine x plus f of x is equal to 4 times f of x. F of 1 is 4. Okay, then find f of 21. Correct. So please write down, dear students, what is the answer? How to solve? So first of all, what is the given condition? So directly put x is equal to 1. What is your answer, anyone? 1 plus f of 1 is equal to 4 into f of 1. 1 plus 4. 4 into 4. So f of 5 is equal to 16 is coming. See? For what they are asking? 21. Clear? So for what values of x, I'm getting f of 21. Anyone? F of 5 is there. The simple here. Directly put x is equal to 5. Anyone? Put x is equal to 5 means what the result is coming? So f of 5 plus f of 5 is equal to 4 into f of 5. 5 plus 16. So f of 21 is how much? That is the question. So dear students, challenging, same model I'm giving. Anyone challenging this question? See carefully, what is f of x? 3x plus 1, how do you know 3x plus 1? Kirti? Okay, 3. So how you are getting 3x plus 1? Maybe, okay. Now see, another example. Let f be a function. Satisfying f of xy is equal to f of x by y for all positive real numbers. Means x comma y r plus. If f of 30 is given 20, find f of 40. Anyone, what is the answer? Yes, idea is important. F of xy is given f of x by y for all x comma y belongs to r plus. If f of 30 is equal to 20, then find f of 40. How to solve? Anyone? Get it right. Simple here. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 30. Because I know what the value of f of 30. So what the result is coming? 1 into 30 is equal to f of 1 by 30 is coming. See, f of 30 is how much, anyone? Dear students, f of 1 is how much? 30 into 20 is coming, that is 600. Now, what to do here? Now again, put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 40, that is the question. So 1 into 40, f of 1 by 40, clear? So f of 40 is equal to 1 means 600 by 40. What the result is coming? 15. Sagyatram, good, yeah. Excellent. Okay. So this one, see, just now we discuss this model. It is the f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. So what is the f of 3 is given 20. F of 3 is given 28. And find the value of f of 4. What is the value of f of 4? 65 is coming. That is simple. The required function is what here? X power n plus 1 is coming. Fine. So now I'm giving very important model. This one no need write down, already discussed. Write down. If f of x is equal to a power x by, or I'm directly writing, just a minute, a power x by a power x plus root a. Dear students, see, then find f of 1 by 1996, 2 by 1996, 3 by, so and so on, f of 1995 by 1996. How to solve this one? That is the question. Anyone? Dear students, see, whenever they are giving this type of models here, f of x is equal to a power x by a power x plus root a. Then fine. So whenever they are giving these type of models, dear students, see, first of all, you should focus on this one. Verify. Okay, na? So means what here? F of, we should verify f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 or not. Always satisfy this condition. Okay, now replace x by 1 minus x, add them, always answer is coming 1. Then f of 1 by 1 1996, 1 minus 1 by 1996, how much? Anyone? Anyone? 1995 by, so this value is how much? 1. Like that. 2 by 1996 plus 2 means how much? Like that. This value is how much? 1. So continue this process. What is the middle number? 998, 97 by the 98. Now this one. This is 990. Sorry, this is a 7. This is 9. So how many times repeated here? Anyone? 997. Adding now, should add them. But one term is missing. What is that? Plus, among these cases, I'm adding one term. What is that? Plus from 998 by 96. This value is how much? F of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 is how much? Anyone? 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is how much? 1. So this is repeat 2 times. F of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So F of 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 2. So therefore, answer is how much finally? 997 plus 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So what is the shortcut method? Every time, see in this case, 1995 by 2, that is the shortcut method. That is the answer. Whatever they are giving the number, just divide with 2, that is the answer. You can check it if you want. Here students, another example. F of x is equal to 4 power x by 4 power x plus root 4 means 2. Find. Anyone tell me? F of 1 by better I will take different number. Your place is not sufficient. F of 1 by 2021, 2 by 2021, and so on. 2020 by 2021. What is the answer, anyone? Yeah, 10, 10. Someone told. Who is that? That's absolutely Sai Sanjana. Excellent. Yeah. Ravani, good. So, what is the answer? No need process. Every time this one should be satisfied or not? Yes, satisfied. Therefore, what is the answer? 1010 is the correct answer. You should verify every time. Yeah, f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 or not. That's why here I give a formula. This is the formula, dear students. So in the place of a, you can take any number 9, 4, 8, 6, 3, any number. Always satisfy this condition. Check it. That's why this is the shortcut. So in the place of a, they can give a means positive. Okay, no? A can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, anything. F of x plus f of 1 minus x is always getting 1 only. But practice is required, dear students. Okay. Dear students, now discussing one advanced question. Let f maps minus 1 comma 1 to minus 1 to 1 be a function. Then as the following. Column 1, column 2. Get ready? A. F of x is equal to mod x. B. F of x is equal to x into mod x. C. F of x is equal to x cube. D. F of x is equal to integral part of x. E. F of x is equal to sine pi x by 2. Dear students, see now P, what you can say? 1 1, many 1 on 2 into. Tell me anyone? Try, otherwise I will explain. Get ready? Solution. A. Match the following. Anyone? F of x, see the domain, codomain. No, check it. Which one is the one? Mini one onto function into function. Take the pen, rub book, after the write on period. Try, otherwise I will explain. Maths matching. Okay, shall I explain? No, right now. A. F of x is equal to mod x. Dear students, see, first of all, draw the picture. Mod x means cannot expand like this up to here, up to what? Up to 1 only. This is minus 1, 0. Simple, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Anyone? The curve means draw a line parallel to x-axis, which means exactly 2 points. So f is what here? It is the many one function. Okay, fine. But what the output is coming here? What is the range of f anyone? What the output mod x means what here? You can take minus 1 also 1. That means 0 to 1 is coming. But it is subset of codomain. So it is what? Into function. So this is many one and into function. Any doubts, dear students? See. Why? Clearly, f of minus 1 is how much? 1. F of 1 is how much? 1. Both are having same images. With the graph, you can say directly also. B. F of x is equal to x into mod x. Still, how to write? X square when x is positive. Minus x square when x is negative. You can maximum up to 1. This is what your minus 1 only. That's the meaning. So, what the graph is coming for this case? Anyone? Passing through the origin. Graph is coming like this only. So this is 1. This is minus 1 origin. X, Y. What you can say? So B. Tell me anyone. What are the possibilities are there? Check it. Draw a line parallel to x. Only one time it's come. Yeah, it is 1 1. Then excellent. Clearly F is 1 1. Check it. And what about its case? What is the range? Is coming minus 1 comma 1. Put any value is equal to codomain. That means what it is on to. So P and R. C. Anyone? What is C? F of x were not visible. No? Just a minute. No. F of x is equal to what are they given? X cube. So x cube means what is the formula? Like that is coming. See carefully. What about this is also minus 1. In this case, this is what graph is what your y is equal to x square. This is y is equal to x cube. Okay, the both are complete different graphs. Without drawing the graph also you can say what is the case, I will tell you. Okay, dear students, see f of x1 is equal to f of x2. I don't know graph. For example, for you I am explaining. So x1 cube is equal to x2 cube, dear students. So means what your x1 is equal to x2 is coming in this case. See analytical method without using graph. So it is 1 1 and onto also this one. Range is what here? Range is also is equal to codomain. How put some values here? X is equal to 1 means 1 is coming. X is equal to minus 1 means minus 1. 0 means 0 is coming. So f is what? Bijective. Bijective means 1 1 and on 2. So this is 1 1. See the graph carefully. What about D? Anyone? D. F of x is equal to integral part of x. See, now some students are asking. I'm not drawing the, okay, without drawing, I can say. How can you say? Anyone? Dear students, tell me, what is the domain? F maps minus 1 to 1 to minus 1 to 1. Take 0.1. What is the output? Take 0.9. What is the output? Take 0.5. What is the output? And what is the case? F is what? That's all. But graph is easy. That's what I'm saying. That's what, okay, now. This is the graph. This is the graph 1, 0, like that. Next, minus 1. Clear? How many points? So many are there. It has many images. But what is the output every time? What is the output? Anyone? You can get minus 1, 0, 1 only. It is what clearly subset of codomain. See carefully. Codomain means how many elements are there? There are infinitely. Minus 1 to how many real numbers are existing between minus 1 and 1? Infinitely. But what is the range? Only 3 numbers. That's why it is subset. It is the into function. Okay, many one into. Anyone? So what is the graph for this case? D, na? First of all, many one. Next, into. What about E? Yeah, place is not sufficient. Can you try E? It is also bijection. Bijection means what here? P. It's okay. I'm taking white color. See. P R. Conclusion. Dear students, what is here? Q comma S. B. Anyone? P comma R. What about C? Anyone? C is what? P comma R. What about D? Q comma S. What about E? P and R. So these type of observations are very, very important here, students. See. Saikitram, SV Rajesh, raise your hands. Kirti, Jishnu, Arif, Arif is not there. SV Rajesh, Anjani. Okay. Hands down. Okay, two numbers are there. Anjani is okay. Good. Yeah. Hands down. SV Rajesh, Kartikeya. So this one is a change. Greater than or equal one. This is greater than or equal to 1. Shall I proceed now? Still writing. Okay. So we are discussing a different model. See, get ready. Thank you, Santosh. Now see. Dear students, this is the different model. Previous question. Let f maps minus 3 comma 3 to R. Where f of x is equal to x cube plus sin x plus x square plus 2 by a is an odd function. Okay. So what the meaning? Denotes greatest integer function. Clear? Then find a. What is the answer? Anyone? Simple logic here. Since I'm writing solution, see, since f is an odd function. What is the meaning odd function? Anyone? Anyone? What do you mean odd function? That is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So put this value. What is the result? Minus x cube minus sin x plus x square by 2 by a. Multiply with minus. So all the terms are cancelled. So remaining what here 2 times x square plus 2 by a is equal to 0. X square plus 2 by a is equal to 0 means what is the meaning, dear students? What is the meaning? That is, this is values always lies between. That is the meaning. Okay. But what about x here? For all x is always belongs to minus 3 comma 3. Condition is given domain. So put this values, any value of this one. See carefully. What is the least value? Put x is equal to minus 3 or 3, any number. So minimum is what? 3 square plus 1 by a less than 1. Sorry, this is the plus 2. So 11 by a less than 1 means what here? A is always greater than 11. That means what here? Open interval 11 comma infinity. This is the answer. 11 to infinity. Check it. So A can be 11.1, 11.2, 12, 13, 100, anything. Always satisfying odd function. See carefully. Check it. When x belongs to minus 3 comma 3 only. Check it, x is equal to minus 3, minimum is coming 11. But in the place of a, you can take any number. It is satisfying order function. Right now, question, dear students. Next one. See. Next question is, it's a beautiful question. Right on. Based on this model we're discussing now. Just a minute. How many of you remember it or no? Same model I'm giving, tell me. That f maps minus 10 comma 10 to real number. Where f of x is equal to sin x plus integral part of x square by a. Then a belongs to what? Anyone? Solution integral part, that is. Anyone? Okay, this one should be is an odd function. The null possible, yes. What is the value of a? Odd function means write the definition. What is the answer? Simply, odd function means for the case C, get ready. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Means what the result is coming here? Yeah, minus sin x plus x square by a is equal to minus sin x minus x square by a. So x square by a is equal to 0. When it is possible, this one should be lies between 0 to 1. For all x belongs to what? Minus 10 comma 10 domain. So put these values 100 by a. That means what here a belongs to 100 comma infinity. Accepting? This is the answer.